Okay, right now, straight, I want to show you how to use the Goldmine platform. Okay, Goldmine. But let me not write that. Gold. I love this platform so much. The person that brought this opportunity to me, God bless you. So it's okay. Yes, so I'm thanking the person that brought it to me. Very good site, very good platform. So you can see what I'm doing. This is I just clicked Chrome. Now see, because I'm already here. Okay, let me log out. Let me log out. So you see, so once you come to your Chrome, you type Goldmine. You see it, Goldmine. If you have if you are typing it for the first time, it will not show the way it's showing now. But you see my own. My own just showed at once because I've been entering here. I've been making money here. So that's why. So then you type Goldmine. In fact, before you join, let me know before I forget. Oh, I didn't even on my data. Can you imagine? This money, money feels shark person like this. So before you sign up, make sure you contact me so that you are properly registered. Thank God I didn't forget this. So this is for those who have registered and so I need them to, because I have to put them through so that they don't have. It's a very simple place. So see, once you, because me, I'm already logged in. So once you click on Goldmine, if you are just coming for the first time, it will ask you for your password. I don't want to type my password now because you guys will see my password. So see, I am here now in Goldmine. So that is it. Okay, let me log out, but just to show you what I mean, and I go for the next to show you. Before you log out, you have to click your dashboard because and enter. That is when you will find your. So you click on these three lines here. If you want to log out, you see here. So you click there. So I click on it now. So you see, then you scroll up, you see sign out. Okay, and it is coming. You see it there. This is sign out. Okay, it is, I've already signed out. So you see it now. So once you type Goldmine, the correct link, please ask me before you register. Don't go and register on your own, please. So you click here, type in your username. So this is how you see it. Once you are registered, this is how you see it. Once you are registered, this is how you will see it. So you come. So my username, yes, it's already there. Then I will enter my password. See it. I don't want people to see my password, so that's why. So once you type your correct password, then you click on sign in. See the sign in there. Sign in. Okay, and immediately it will take you into your dashboard. So I've ended this one now. I will do the next. See you. I'm enjoying Goldmine. Hope you're enjoying Goldmine. Oh, of course, you're enjoying Goldmine. So well done, guys. Well done. Enjoy the money. Enjoy it. Enjoy it.